The turkey crown is the breast meat on the bone with the legs removed. It's a popular choice as it fits in a smaller oven and will cook a little bit quicker than a whole turkey. Ours is fresh, so we've taken it out of the fridge for 1 hour ahead of cooking. If yours is frozen, you will need to defrost it first. Put a trivet in your roasting tin or line the base with a chopped onion, then sit your turkey crown on top, skin side up. Rub it all over with 50 grams of butter or a drizzle of olive oil. Then season with salt and pepper. It's ready to roast like this, or for extra flavour, lay rashers of pancetta or streaky bacon over the top of the turkey. Poke small sprigs of rosemary between the slices too if you like. Tie the crown with butcher's string to hold the shape together. Heat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 170 fan or gas mark 5. For crowns under 4 kilos, it will need 70 minutes, plus an additional 20 minutes per kilo. If it's over 4 kilos, it will need 90 minutes, plus 20 minutes per kilo, or until the internal temperature reaches 65 degrees or over. For example, our turkey crown weighs 3 kilos, so we're going to be roasting it for 130 minutes, or 2 hours, 10 minutes. The internal temperature of your turkey should reach 65 degrees Celsius or over when it's ready. You must then leave it in a warm place for 20 minutes, as it will continue cooking through. The temperature will then rise to 70 degrees Celsius as it rests. Don't cover the turkey crown if you want the skin to stay crisp while it's resting. Don't let any part of your turkey go to waste. Store leftover meat in an airtight container. When cold, refrigerate for up to 3 days.